Hi everyone, and welcome back to Zunova. And in this video I'd like to introduce you to the AI S&P 500 Alpha Probability module. We use a machine learning model to project the probability of alpha being equal to or greater than 3% for 1 week, 1 month, 3 months, and also alpha which would be equal to or greater than 10% for 6 months, 9 months, and 1 year forward for all S&P 500 stocks. So what you'll see is sort of a setup that's similar to our AI S&P 500 analyst, which projects stock prices. And below here you'll see some graphs initially of the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the momentum index. And you'll see columns which will reflect the probability in percent at these intervals, 1 week through 3 months and 6 months through 12 months, that the S&P 500 will actually have a return of 3% or better or 10% or better. You'll see the same thing here for the NASDAQ and also here for the momentum index. As you scroll down further, you'll see the grid, and the grid then will actually populate every day after the close it runs all the S&P 500 stocks, their closing prices, and then the probability of them returning alpha for the short term, 7 days through 3 months, of 3% or better. And as you scroll across, you'll see a color variation where it's projecting if there'll be an alpha of 10% or greater from 6 months out to 1 year. And you can also see a chart of that. This will change each day slightly depending on market conditions because it recalculates the closing prices every day. And also the model will retrain itself a few times a month according to market conditions. So that will have an effect too, if market conditions are very volatile. Now also, as these stocks do fill in, you can drill down to any of them and look at more information. For instance, you can look at financials, these tear sheets, and you can look at performance. So there's many different tear sheets that you can go through and look at, and you can also use these tear sheets in generating a report. So if I just select a few of these, you'll see that a report can be actually generated with all of those selections or just the ones that you want to see. And that can be printed out or saved to a PDF. Also, you can create an AI report which will print out all the S&P 500 stocks and what their probabilities are projected forward for 1 week out to 1 year. Again, any of the stocks can also be exported to create a portfolio that you can watch in real time and save as a watch list or create into an actual portfolio. I hope you like this new edition. There's a lot more to come with machine learning, and any questions, please let us know. Thank you.